What's up guys, in these videos I'm going to be showing you guys the different methods to get rid of acne in Photoshop. What's up guys, it's Anif here. Before we continue this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and also turn on my notifications to be notified whenever I drop a new video. And before I continue this video, I just want to let you guys know that a new preset pack will be coming at 500 subscribers. So please subscribe to my channel and watch out for the preset pack. I've given away a preset pack a while ago, I think at 100 subscribers. So I really appreciate you guys for the support. So if you want me to drop another preset pack, subscribe to my channel and any preset pack will be coming at 500 subscribers. Thank you. So let's just get started with removing the acne from my face. Now before I continue with this, I just want to give you guys some tips and points on removing acne and what to remove and what not to remove. Now the simplest tip I can give you guys is to remove only temporary spots on the face, like pimples, boils, but don't get rid of scars. If there's scars on any part of the body, don't get rid of scars or birthmarks. Only get rid of temporary spots on the face. So that is just a quick tip I want to give you guys there, and let me just go on with the acne removal. So before I continue with this, I just want to make this image a bit brighter. So this is my levels, add a bit of contrast, and then make it a bit brighter. So yeah, you can see the image doesn't look flat anymore. So as I've handled that, now let's go on with the acne removal here. Now the first tool I'm going to be telling you guys about is the spot healing brush tool here at the left pane. Make sure it's set this way: sample all layers, content aware, and mode this on normal. And yeah, make sure your brush size. And now while doing this, you want to make sure while using this brush, you want to make sure the brush size is almost the same size as the spots you're removing. So for example, want to get rid of this, we can reduce it a bit. So once you click on it, it gets rid of the spot. Using this brush, you want to either draw on the spot you want to remove, or just click on it. So it's that easy using the spot healing brush. So all you have to do with this brush is just click on the spot you want to get rid of, or just draw on it. So I won't advise you guys to make it big. Maybe you want to make it big and get rid of everything. You see, it will start looking weird, so you wouldn't want that. So you just, instead of doing that, you have to get rid of the spots one by one. Yeah, so that is just a quick tip out there. So let me just show you guys how it's done. Just get rid of each of these spots one by one. Make sure your brush is not too big, else Photoshop will get confused. And yeah, so just click on the spots one after the other. So as you can see guys, we have gotten rid of the acne with the spot healing brush tool. Here's a little before and after. I can see this is a very powerful tool to get rid of spots, acne, and all of that. Now if you don't want to use a spot healing brush tool, or you want a bit faster method, but I wouldn't really recommend this method, but using the spot healing brush tool gives you a more accurate result. But this tool also does a great job as well. So let me turn off this layer and duplicate this layer again. So let me show you guys doing the same thing using the patch tool. Now the patch tool is a powerful tool as well. You want make sure it's set to normal and set to source. So the patch tool is a very powerful tool as well. What it does here is you select the area that the acne is at, then replace it with a smoother part of the skin. As you can see, it's very powerful and it's a faster method compared to the use of the spot airbrush tool. It gives good results, but for best results, I would recommend using the spot healing brush instead. Like, it's a very useful and powerful tool. Now, while doing this, you want to sample a place closer to the skin. Like, you want to sample a spot closer to the place that you're where the acne is, because so that's to give it like the same color. Like, you really want to sample a place in the highlights and go to the shadow and sample from there. It won't really work out well. So you want to just sample places close to where the spot is. I'm just doing this real quick to show you guys like how it works. So like, I haven't really like done every spot, but I've done a move enough to show you guys how it works. So this is removal of acne with the patch tool. This is before and after, and now this is with the spot healing brush tool. So you guys can see the difference here. I feel like the spot healing brush gave me a bit better results, I guess. So I don't know. So this is this spot healing brush tool and this with the patch tool. You can see both methods work great. So now let's now, as you can see, we have done the work here of removing the acne, but now I want to even out the skin tones. So like, as you can see, like looking a bit rough here. In order to do that, and smoothen the skin, we'll have to use the frequency separation method. Now, frequency separation is a very powerful tool that we can do that with. I'm going to be doing this using the retention icon new panel. I'm going to make a tutorial showing you guys how to do it from scratch in later videos, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and watch out for that. But I've already done a frequency separation tutorial, so you guys can check out my channel for that. Link will be in the description below. Frequency separation basically is separating your skin, the texture from the colors and tones. So basically, to smoothen out the skin. That is like the easiest way to define for anyone. Like, frequency separation is smoothing out the skin instead of using like big words and all that. Like, for anyone to understand what frequency separation is, just tell them that it's basically smoothing of the skin. That's the easiest way to go about it. But if you want to go in depth about it, you will have to talk more about the separation of the texture from the tones itself. So as you can see, with frequency separation, we have like done a better job here of smoothing out the skin. You can see the skin looking smoother and everything looks perfect than before. So this is a little before and after. I've shown you guys the two methods you can get rid of acne. And if you love this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.